Appreciate it. Big paper shit. I can brag, I can boast.
Y'all, this is crazy. It's 4 in one. I just got this bit today, man.
Previously on Exotic Trelly.
So you two men on the side of the road. We was on the way there and I ran over something bad, y'all. And it's like now whatever it was, it popped it's like a pipe or something I ran over. You can see the pipe right here. Like, yeah, man, the body doesn't even look like nothing is wrong with the body at all. Like, it looks completely normal, y'all.
Which is gonna cause that vehicle to be total.
So, yo, YouTube, man, today's video, it's finna be a little great video, man. Cause in today's video, we finna be buying the fucking cheapest Scatpack Widebody out here, man. When we get ready to look at the car, man, I'm finna show y'all the car and all that. But yeah, that be a little nice as fuck. Ooh, that be Widebody here from the side. Yeah, man, so I can see this to be right home.
I fixed this side. I really fixed this side good here. Window was fixed. I did. Appreciate it. Good doing business with you.
Alright, so y'all, man, go Widebody Scat, man. We just got this bit. Like I say, we got some shit that we gotta get done to it. We gotta fix the Widebody flares. Of course, we're gonna wrap, fix up the paint, get rid of the little hood gap. And I gotta fix the AC. Other than that, man, everything on this bitch sweet. I got this bitch for steal, y'all. I'm telling y'all, hey, 10,000 views on my mama, I would drop the price on how much I paid for this bitch. As y'all can see, man, this side right here, this bitch side right here is pretty nice. This nigga having trouble backing up my truck, but hey, we're gonna pray for him. Like I say, man, we probably scratch this paint right here. This is a little over paint. Like I say, this is aftermarket paint that he did himself. So yeah, man, we're gonna get this bit right though, y'all. Other than that, beside that little shit, y'all, this bit is pretty nice. It gotta get a little muffly. It's a little quiet too and shit. Yeah, it is jetty, man. Hey, y'all just stay tuned though. I already know. You said what? It is jetty, y'all, but we gon' change all that. Shit gonna be different though, y'all. I say we're gonna probably get a new mover. Man, we're gonna change this bit, y'all, for sure. Oh yeah, y'all, we do got stars in this bit too, y'all. I just ain't show y'all. Hey, y'all, let's go to star, man. The star, that bit, we're gonna show y'all again at night on the star. Hit that shit again. Bitch got sticking on them. This bitch got totaled, didn't it? All just aside though, y'all, this bitch is actually not that bad for real, y'all. Like, we just got some work that we gotta do. And I'm telling y'all, just stay tuned. You say you left for what in that bit? Mama, nigga left us some nice, hot as fuck to drink. Yeah, that bitch still a W though. I ain't tripping, you know what I'm saying, nigga? You know we gonna do this. Strike. Hold on, strike.
You got application.
Nah, for that. Oh, there you go. That very sure. I'm trying to turn on lights and shit for y'all. Do I gotta be closer? Do this bitch not got no range? Dang. This bitch got no range to it.
Try this.
This bitch got no range. Close though. Try that. Oh, there you go. That's what it was. Never mind. That's crazy. This bitch got no range. Y'all look at this shit. Like, that bitch look pretty damn nice from here, bro. Say, y'all, this bitch don't got no damn AC for real. Damn. We need some exhaust work done, though. Yeah, this bitch, oh my God. That bitch a spinning damn machine here, boy. He finna pull me over, y'all. Watch this. He finna pull me over. Watch this. Told you. I told you. First day with it, y'all get pulled over. What's going on?
Because your license.
My license.
You got your paperwork on the car? You know
I just bought the car today. There you go.
Where'd you buy it from?
I got it off a private seller.
Okay.
I got it off a private seller.
Okay.
Man, this shit crazy.
Where'd you meet the guy to sell it?
I met him at the bank.
I mean, where at? Jackson? Or?
Down here in Jackson.
Okay.
Bank.
You just got it today?
Yeah, I got it today.
That's all.
Yeah, this nigga checking the VIN and everything. Yeah, like stereotyping these bitches is crazy, my nigga. I should have kept my damn truck, fool. Yeah, like that bitch clean, man. So I mean, this bitch is not stolen. I just gave you the paperwork. You still want to check the VIN. All that's in the paperwork that I just gave you. This bitch is registered. Like, there's no way, fool. Just let me go on by my day, bro. I wasn't speeding or nothing, y'all. Just like this stereotype is crazy, man. Look, bro, this is crazy, fool. I'm taking this Scatpack shit back. Fuck a Scat Widebody, nigga. We're going back regular, hell, man.
Yeah. You like this car?
Yeah, I do.
Where you headed?
To work.
Huh?
To work.
Where you work at? Alright. Hey, hop out for a minute. I'm gonna check the van on the computer, and then I'm gonna let you go, alright? Make sure everything's legit.
Y'all look at this shit, y'all. This shit's crazy. The car cool, but I feel you doing too much as like, I just got the car gang. You read all the VINs, now you checking the engine VIN and shit. That shit, y'all see? Running it. It look good though. We still here with it, y'all. Y'all can see, man. Damn, man. Uh-oh, another one done ride on me, y'all. It's 4 cops, y'all. It's 4 cops, y'all. 4. Y'all, this is crazy. There's 4 of them. Alright, y'all, this bitch is not stolen, gang. Everything came back clean, y'all. I was out that bitch. They literally just hit me up for like fucking a whole hour, gang. That's how this fucking shit, y'all. But this bitch not stolen, gang. Everything came back clean, y'all. Like, they nigga was in the back of the police car, all that shit, y'all. Like, y'all, when all the cops pulled up, I don't know, I guess they were getting nervous me walking around. I was chill as hell. But hey, it is what it is, man. I guess that will come with you get these type of cars right here, man. You gonna get stereotyped and all that shit. This dark ass 10, I just gotta fix this bitch up. Make that bitch start looking so striker. That's all they did. Like, they checked the VIN, they went clean off into this something big, y'all. Look, y'all, they went everywhere. Look, they checked everything on that bitch. I wanted to get out my first real pull in this bitch, but I can't because, shit, I can't work the damn what you call it. I can't gear shift and control the wheel, so I can't even get out my first real pull for real. But I give y'all a little dry pull. Shit, man, motherfucker, get moving. Let me stop before I fuck around, be on the side of the road and goddamn in cuffs again. So, man, after driving the car for a while, y'all, this bitch running pretty healthy, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, no problems with nothing. It's just running healthy, which that was my main concern, that they be running healthy and all that shit. But besides the cosmetic shit that we gotta do, man, we're gonna get, y'all know we're gonna get this bitch up either way. Well, yeah, man, I say, Lil W purchase, man, and I'll see y'all whenever I see y'all. We'll probably hop out of traffic tonight. Man, I told y'all, man, we Johnny now. We Johnny, nigga, we Johnny now. Let me show you how you gotta pop the hood, nigga. He made the way so you can't get that bitch stolen. You ain't tell our shit. Nigga, he made the way you can't get that bitch stolen. Boy, I can't show this shit on damn YouTube. I'm bullshit. Walking around with Jay on your name is crazy. Jay on the side is crazy. Alright, y'all, so man, we finna rip that witch car now. Look like that. Look like this light don't like going off, but we finna rip this shit off right here, y'all. I don't like this. Yeah, y'all want that motherfucker gone. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that better.
RT gone.
Fuck with it already. Yeah. I got 392 emblem at home. We'll throw that shit on there. I ain't laying that glazing. Damn, I need some sauce work, man. What the fuck going on out here, man? I can't even hear my little tap gag, man. That shit lame, bro. I gotta fuck around, go and get the muffler lead. I do. I gotta drop the gear pad back. I mean, that shit is dry. like a vacuum coming through. This bitch so damn quiet, bro. That bitch stock as all. Muffler still on that bitch and all. All right, too, man. Y'all see, man, we eating good over there, bitch. What you eating on? What you eating on? What you eating on? What you eating on over here? What you eating on over here?
Something different. These niggas eat regular shit.
Get that nigga
Tight.
camera time on that retweet.
I see you, boy. So we out in traffic, man. I ain't gonna lie, these boys making my car sound like some shit. Alright, y'all, man. I see, man. Shit, what? What are you trying to say? You trying to say my shit trash?
Yeah, he's basically
that shit fucked up. That shit fucked up. Trash.
My nigga definitely just stole this motherfucker. Striker
Know what I'm
101.
saying?
Tap in for the video. He will be dropping how to use a pro pad soon.
Shit, y'all seen earlier what the fuck happened. Y'all seen. He explained the story on how his shit got stolen, by the way.
Went back up to the hotel room, went to sleep. Got up that morning, I'm finna go to my grandma's house. Hey, that bitch gone. my uncle Terry Wallace here. He's like, Jay, you move your car? I was like, oh. So that man knew what it was. He knew what it was. That bitch was gone. Oh my God.
I ain't gonna lie, you betted me. I've been on that bitch crying. I've been like, God damn.
This nigga ready to watch up in here. Look at this shit, y'all.
You got a dildo in that bitch?
No.
You got a dick in yours?
Nah, what, I thought he didn't have all that shit.
Bro, I ain't even looking at the trunk.
Nah, but I thought he didn't have all that shit, bro.
I ain't even looking at the trunk.
Alright, bro.
I ain't got no soap. I probably ain't got no soap in that bitch.
I ain't gonna fuck. We use car wash soap.
Nah, he be stealing mine.
Hell, man, burn out in that bitch. Bet. And that bitch, I said, you got some money to do some burnout. I'm tired now. Oh, he finna slang that
That bitch just need them pop.
bitch. That bitch stupid loud.
There you go. It is just in. Like a pop.
Hey, that bitch ain't going on. Try the kill switch on that bitch.
Where the kill switch at?
Try it again.
I've been wondering how many buy them kill parts.
See? Oh, it.
Where is it?
Hey, you finna have to roll this bitch out.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, they still can roll that bitch.
Yeah?
I seen nigga on TikTok. He pulled in new trigger.
Control of it?
Huh?
You got control of the kids with it?
Yeah.
You gonna repost the shit.
Yeah, I can't. I'm bullshit. I can't post where the fuck is at. I can't show y'all where the kill switch at, man.
Don't show you.
I mean, no, it's on my face.
Oh.
Where is it, man?
What's it? Well, turn if you found to turn it on and try to turn the car on. Damn.
Oh, these? I ain't gonna lie, that's it.
I just got this bitch today, man.
What the bitch got a Hemi ticket?
Nah, the fuck you hear a Hemi ticket?
Right, so you don't hear that shit.
You nigga, a Hemi ticket. That's the first thing I made sure. Alright, y'all, so man, we did a little pool, y'all see, we got pulled over and shit.
Oh, shit. I don't know if you want to keep that. A little risky.
Alright, y'all, so man, something we just came across is that the gap really not as big as we think. It's still a gap here, but it's not as big as we think it is. But once we get rid of this, y'all, that will make that gap look more flush and shit. As y'all see, man, we outside, man. Second time getting pulled over today and shit, but I did do a little pull, and yeah, that bitch got so sideways on the pull. God damn, that bitch looks so good from right here though. God damn. You said what? You said what? Shit, we finna go. We spoiled out. Who the fuck is that? But y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for this bill, man. I want to appreciate y'all for tuning into this video, man. But y'all know, man, we got some stuff that we're gonna get done to this car. Y'all just stay tuned though, for real, man. And yeah. Make sure you wait before you leave. Make sure you just like, so we can probably get them 10,000 views, and I can tell y'all the price. And then subscribe. No matter what, you ain't doing nothing else. It's free. So yeah.